and 12, 2 puntos yung pamamagitan na po at sinisilid sa loob ng bakuran ng mga tropang taga-barangay ng Salvacion dito laban sa team ng Barangay Manalo. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And just gonna be called on according to the shading referee Sir Ching Gonzaga. Number 16 called for blocking foul. First personal foul and 3 team fouls. 1 minute and 51 seconds, mga kabarangay. 14 seconds on the shot at Barone number 9. Atras, labas kay Pilnas, pangungursunada. No good by Pilnas. Hindi bumasket, pass break. Trinidad number 12 player. Burns! Good for 2 points. Trinidad. 110 seconds at naubusan na nga po or inabutan ng 8 segundo na hindi nakakauwi sa kanilang tahanan yung mga tropang taga-barangay ng Manalo. All for 8 seconds violation. Good call ng ating officiating official. Ay natin po sa atin ang ating Pinoy Workers Parties, ang kakampi ng manggagawang Pilipino, number 122 sa balota this coming 2025. We have only 45 seconds. And just gonna be called for a charging foul against number 4 by Timbol. Yun po yung sinasabi natin na sobrahan ng paglalambing. Pero yung paglalambing po na yun sa maling paraan na gamit itong mamang Timbol. And that's the buzzer. End of the first. Once again, this is the second Kabarangay and Pinoy Workers Cup ng ating 3rd District Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament 2024-2025 ay pinatibay at tinatid po sa atin ang ating mga major sponsor, ang ating former congressman ng 3rd District of Palawan, ang ating Attorney Gil Acosta Jr., ang ating Kabarangay Jr., at ng ating Pinoy Workers Party List number 122 sa balota this coming 2025. Back to the ball game. Second quarter of the game. Konti pupukol sa pool pero hindi bumukol para sa Mamang Conde. As break is stolen by Taclan. Taclan ang titimon traragas at sasalaksak. No good by Taclan. Kuha ng team ng Barangay ng Salvacion. Amano sending for Tupas. Layup by Tupas. Pero hindi ba naging successful? Meron namang nakitang pumatol. Just gonna be called according to officiating Sir Ching Gonzaga. Foul against number 1. Call for a foul. Kapunpon, first personal foul by Kapunpon. First team foul, second quarter. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 2 shot by Tupas. 7 minuto! 7 minuto na titira sa ating second quarter. This is 7 minutes of basketball game was proud to us. At ito po sa atin ang ating Sir Ipitacio Chila Jr., ang ating sports enthusiast number 13 sa balota this coming 2025.